Vibe coding was so much fun when you began doing it. Okay, it was you have a new thing. You explore the possibility of someone else writing the code for you and better than you, and you have only to do like the managerial stuff. Okay, you don't write it. You only get the ideas. Okay, it first began like that. Okay, and then you feel the monotonous the task and you're dragging yourself into vibe coding because now it's not something new, it's not a novel thing. Okay, your brain has got used to it. Okay, and now you're dragging yourself to do it. You don't want to do it. Sometimes you feel burnout. Sometimes you get angry when you reach the limit of the tokens, or when the tokens are over you have to spend more money. Okay, and you're not getting the results that you want. Okay, so vibe coding has become these things that instead of making your life easier, it became a burden. It became some hard work that you have to do. You don't feel the joy of it anymore. Okay, and that is a problem in itself. We don't want you like that. We want you inconsistent. We want you enjoying the process. Okay, and that thing that's stopping you doing it. Okay, is you're not structuring your coding sessions right. Okay, you're not optimizing the the how of the action. Okay, so you get the best of that action. Okay, so your vibe coding session only consists of you just sitting in in front of the screen. Okay, the screen, and your eyes are hurting. Okay, your back is hurting because you are sitting in a bad posture. Okay, and you wonder why you feel pain. You correlate vibe coding sessions with pain. Okay, your brain has correlated in the background, in the subconscious, that vibe coding equals pain, vibe coding equals boring. Okay, so it becomes boring. It's boring in itself because just waiting for the agent. Okay, and you're looking at the screen, it becomes boring. So you now have to suppress that boringness, that boredom that you're feeling. Okay, with doom scrolling in between apps, in between prompts. Okay, with eating so it's food in between the prompts, or while doing the prompts, or watching some movies or series in 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 this session. Okay, so you're multitasking. Okay, so you forget about the boredom of that vibe coding. Okay, and that is building a vicious cycle of non-focus, of not a sharpened mind that you used to have. Okay, so you're not producing the good quality work that you were producing. Okay, in the beginning of vibe coding, and now you're not producing the good quality results that you want. It creates a vicious cycle of not feeling happy and feeling depressed and feeling burnout because the ideas that in your mind, they are not properly executed by the agent. And it's not the agent's fault, because we can get you the best agent, but you will still feel depressed. Okay, because you are not right in here. Okay, you have not optimized what's in here, so what's outside of here, the outer wall, does not reflect what's inside. Okay, and what's inside have to be good, so the outside can reflect that goodness in you. Okay, that optimized version of you. Okay, that supercomputer that you have in your mind. Okay, you have to optimize it. Okay, and we talked about how to optimize it in other videos, and we'll explain in future videos. Okay, but now I will tell you how to make web coding fun again for you. Okay, so in between prompts, you do not want doing activities that have higher dopamine than the activities that you are doing. Okay, so vibe coding is activity in here. The dopamine indicates is normal, natural, and it becomes slowly decreasing by time if you do not make it right. If you do not make it fun again. Okay, and doom scrolling is a high pleasurable activity. Okay, so in between prompts, you do the high pleasurable activity. Your brain will associate with that high pleasure activity. So now it only wants to do those high pleasure activity, high dopamine activities, and it will get away, and it will do everything to stay away from that hard work activities, the low pleasurable activities. Okay, so you have to rewire your brain. You have to rewire your dopamine circuits and receptors to start enjoying these is by eliminating these. Okay, or if you can't eliminate them, do them after your vibe coding session. Okay, not in between, because in between you inflate the dopamine in your brain, and it only starts enjoying this. And no anything lower than doom scrolling in dopamine system will not be enjoyable in your brain. Okay, so in between your prompts, in between the coding sessions, you have to do pleasurable activities that have neutral or lower than the vibe coding. Okay, so for example, training is the best activity that I do myself in between my prompts. Okay, so I have some dumbbells, I can do shampoo. If you don't have dumbbells, you do some push-ups. If you have a pull-up bar, you can do some pull-ups. You do some workout in between the prompts. Okay, because it's not only lower pleasurable than vibe coding. So after you finish it, that set of working out, and you come back to vibe coding, you will feel relieved because that hard work is over, and now you get, it's like it becomes a reward in and of itself, the vibe coding. Okay, also, training releases the feel good hormone. Okay, it's called endorphin. Endorphin are released when intense workout or the long workouts. It gets released in the body, in your brain. Okay, so it's a feel good hormone. It's a painkiller. Okay, it's an antidepressant naturally you get from working out. Okay, so you don't need the sugar, you don't need anything to feel good. It's just exercise and you feel good naturally without disrupting or taking some unnatural thing to balance the dopamine. Okay, so we have endorphin, we have testosterone release. Testosterone is good for the body, it's good for men especially. It makes you build more muscle and makes you have better health and better mood. Okay, because higher testosterone men have higher mood, like they're not as moody as low testosterone people. Okay, and they have better mood and higher energy. Okay, higher energy meaning higher, like higher taste for living and more productive work. Okay, because higher testosterone is linked to the loving of hard work. Okay, higher testosterone people love to do more work because they get their joy from the process, from doing the work, the actual work that will get them and move them forward in their lives and in their goals and objectives. Okay, and also you have growth hormone. Okay, growth hormone is released in the body when working out or when sleeping. Okay, so you have to be sleeping good and working out in between your prompts. If you don't want to work, if you're already working out at outside of the five coding session, good for you. Okay, you are checking off that box. Okay, you can do it also. Even if you're working out, you can do it inside of your prompts. Okay, it's all better than doom scrolling. Okay, and if you're already working out of your five coding session in a gym, or you have some proper sessions. Okay, you can also in between prompts, like you buy a whiteboard. Okay, or you in a piece of paper, you ideate your vibe coded app. You ideate, like writing ideas and patterns in a visual way. Okay, so your brain works in the background to solve the problems about your vibe coding apps. Okay, so there's always problems, there's always needs. Okay, there's always ideas and opportunities you can you can take and you can think about. Okay, so in between your prompts, when the AI agent is working on the code on your ideas, you in between you work on generating more ideas. Okay, that is how you get the best out of vibe coding session without feeling burnout, without feeling depressed, and vibe coding becomes actually a joyful activity. Okay, I hope to see you in, and I hope you execute on what I said, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Thank you.